Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you about reactions of alkenes. Basically I'm going to teach you combustion reactions and addition reactions of alkenes with their mechanisms. Firstly we have to consider about combustion reaction. Basically when alkenes are going to be burned, it forms CO2 and H2O, and they are not used to as fuels because they can be used to manufacture chemicals. We need to know about the thermal decomposition of ethene. Now we know when ethene is going to be combust, it makes CO2 and H2O as previously mentioned. Then we need to balance the number of carbon and hydrogen. Finally, we need to balance number of O2 molecules. Now we need to consider about addition of halogens, one pi bond and one sigma bond. Then this type of alkenes shows electrophilic addition reactions. Now we are going to react ethene with chlorine in CCl4 medium. This reaction will make this alkyl halide. When we react ethene with Br2 in CCl4 medium, we can have this product such as in previous reaction. Then we can conclude this reaction is happening by observing the decolorization of Br2. In this Br2 mixture, brown color becomes colorless. Now we need to consider about the mechanism of addition of halogens. First step of the mechanism is due to electron density present on two sides of the plane of alkene, an induced dipole forms in Br2. Then we need to consider about the Br molecule and this double bond of the alkene induce the electron ring of the Br2 molecule like this. Then this 5 bond attacks on this Br atom and make this cyclic compound. As the second step of the mechanism, Br minus attacks on one carbon, and this Br and carbon bond is going to be dissociate like this. Thereafter, then this 5 bond attacks on this Br atom and make this cyclic compound. As the second step of the mechanism, Br minus attacks on one carbon, and this Br and carbon bond is going to be dissociate like this. In this mechanism, this Br minus cation is attacked by immediately to form our final product, this one. As the second part of this video, we are going to consider about the addition mechanism of HX molecule for alkenes. Basically, HCl, HBr and HI added across the double bond of the alkene, and the rate of the reaction increases as HCl is greater than HBr is greater than HI. When HBr adds to ethene, bromoethane is produced. Then we need to consider about the reaction for this one. And the CH2, this ethane molecule is reacted with HBr, and this reaction forms CH3, CH2Br. This one is known as bromoethane. Also, when HX adds to a symmetrical alkene molecule, two products are possible. Then we need to consider about this alkene. This one is reacted with HBr, and we will have two products like this. This one is known as 2-bromopropane. Our other product is CH3, CH2, CH2Br. This one is known as 1-bromopropane. Now we need to consider about the mechanism of addition of HX. Basically, this mechanism happens under Monocoque Rule. That means in addition of HX to an unsaturated compounds, H becomes attacks to the unsaturated carbon atom, which carries largest number of hydrogen atoms. In the mechanism, we know HBr is automatically polarized like this. Hydrogen have plus delta plus charge and Br have delta minus charge. And this 5 bond attacks on hydrogen by forming this carbonium cation. Thereafter, this Br minus, that means bromide ion, attacks on this carbon atom and forming this result. Basically, this reaction happens under Markovnikov rule. Thereafter, we need to consider about anti-Markovnikov rule. In the presence of peroxide, the addition of HBr happens opposing the Markovnikov rule. Then you need to consider about this reaction. HBr is reacted with propene under peroxide medium. For the peroxide, we can use H2O2 or sodium peroxide. This reaction will make less productive result. I suppose this video will be more important for your organic chemistry knowledge. If you have any question regarding this video, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel.